Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a review of the Casio G-Shock GW-M5610BC-1JF. As you can see here, this is eBay. Retails for about $150. It's a JDM model, so it's Japanese domestic market, so you need to have it shipped over. Usually you might expect to pay anything between 30 to 50 US for shipping. That happens through the sort of country that you're sending to. It doesn't really, they don't factor that in when you buy it. I had the unpleasant surprise of Royal Mail over here in England suddenly tapping £30 onto my purchase. So be careful when you buy it internationally. You might get that international sales tax, so watch out. Yeah, okay, so that's enough of this. There you go. Retails for 150, give or take a few 20-30 bucks here and there, you get the watch. There we go. So there's the box, there's the watch. Here, let's take a look at it. Okay, now this is the midday heat over here. As you can see, well, you can't see, but it's a beautiful day. And the first thing you notice is the negative display. All negative, black on black. Let me just show you the backlight. That does improve situation somewhat, but essentially this is a black on black watch. Negative display. There's been a lot of discussion on the forums about how poor visibility is for the time. A lot of people saying they can't see the time display, can't see much going on their watch. Negative, black on black. Some people, definitely has its detractors. I'm of the opinion that this is a really cool design feature. You know, you don't buy black on black for practical purposes, you buy it purely for the aesthetical look. And for me, yes, I have to admit, I've worn it for 2 days now. There are issues, there are definitely issues with the black on black. As you can even see now, the glare from the sun coming through the window is basically affecting what you can see on the watch. But, you know, what I do, if I can't see the time first off, I move my arm slightly, then I see the time. Yes, you might lose 0.000 seconds, but you know, I guess that's important for some people. For me, I'm very happy with this watch. I do, let me just zoom out a bit, I do really like the black on black, of course. I do really like the steel bracelet. I think that's a really cool feature of quite kind of low price G-Shock. I mean, you saw it's only $150 US. So to get the stainless steel bracelet, that's a big plus. You don't see that on every G-Shock, especially any in this price range. They're normally reserved for higher priced G-Shocks. So that was a really good selling point for me. It's a really nice, really comfortable bracelet. As you can see, lugs there are pretty damn strong, well put together, and it makes a change from your classic G-Shock where everything's, I suppose, what they call resin, or I mean a word, but yeah, the stainless steel bracelet makes for a change. It's a throwback watch, throwback to the old GW or DW-5600 origin. Definite throwback to that. So as you can see, it has some of the same features. You got your stopwatch. Well, first of all, you got the clock face. You got the world time, which I don't think the DW has. You got the alarms. You got your stopwatch, you got your timer, then you got your clock, and then you got the backlight. It's quite kind of simplicity. It is a throwback to the original G-Shock. The added twist being the negative display and the stainless steel. I'm really happy with this purchase. As you can see, it costs $150. You'll see a lot of discussion on the forums about it, on the G-Shock forums or just the watch forums. Everyone's saying, negative display, not really a fan. But I stand firmly in the camp that says this is an aesthetical choice. Black on black really looks good, it looks cool. You got a really hard wearing watch. G-Shock is a great brand. They don't do things like this by accident. I'm sure they knew what they were doing when they did a black on black display. You got your backlight, which kind of fixes, no, it doesn't fix the problem or solve the problem, but it helps ease the solution, I guess. Multi-band 6 as well. So you're getting a lot of watch for a very, very decent package, you know, $150. Not too bad. Alright.